Alright, so time to ship out what we sold on Goat. We saw about 6 pairs of shoe. We got the Arizona Pegasus, Presto, some Jordan 1 Shadows, and Air Barrage. Alright, so next na benta natin ay Ultra Boost All Terrain. Tapos nabenta natin yung isang Adidas cleats. Ito yan, Predator 19 SG. So yan, unahin natin tong Ultra Boost All Terrain. Nabenta natin to sa eBay, pero tignan mo mura to. Nakukuha natin sa Marshalls. Yan, $59.99 lang ang kuha natin sa Marshalls. Ayan diba? Ang laking yan, mura na yan. Tapos nabenta natin siya ng $114 sa eBay. So halos doble yung kita natin dyan. Ito naman nakuha ko sa outlet, Predator. Soccer cleats to siya. Mesh bag. Tapos ito na yung shoes. Ito yung niya, price niya $275. Pero hindi yan yung bili natin. Nabili natin to ng mas mura pa doon. Kasi nagraran sila noon ng mga 50%. Tapos nabenta natin ng $180. Alright, so next one yung Zoom Pegasus 36. So ayan. Tapos yung Air Barrage nandito yan. Ayun. Ito yun, Air Zoom Pegasus 36 Shield. Cool gray ang colorway niya. Nakuha natin to sa Nike Factory Store. I believe mga $36 ang kuha natin dyan. So quick flip na lang ng $57.44. Tapos ito naman Air Barrage Low QS. According to the sa Goat, ito yung Air Barrage Low QS Super Bowl na design. So yun, nakuha ko to sa Nike.com kasi nga restock lang siya noon. So butit nakakuha pa rin ako kahit bulky So 130 ang retail niya, pero nakuha ko ng sale, and then nabenta natin siya ng $147. Tapos meron din tayong nabentang Air Presto na size 11, and one of the shadows, or maybe two shadows, is 9.5 and the 10. Ito na yung Air Presto Comet Red. Ang retail nga pala nito is $130. Ayan, at nabenta natin yan ng $110, pero nakuha natin ito ng somewhere $85. Ito naman yung Air Jordan 1 Retro Shadow 2.0. Actually dapat dalawang pair dapat yung nabenta natin, yung size 10 at saka 9.5. Ito yung 9.5, pero yung size 10 ay nabenta natin sa ibang platform sa eBay. So wasn't able to keep up with the inventory, and the thing is mas mahal yung benta natin sa eBay. So sa eBay na lang natin binenta kaysa naman dito sa Goat na mas mura yung benta natin. Pero yun, last na rin yata itong 9.5 na to. Nag-keep ako ng personal ko kasi gusto ko talaga yung kulay niya dalawa yung personal kong kanyan. So benta natin ng 9.5 is $243.
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Alright, so got more pair of Jordan 1 Low UNC. Alright, as usual, after dropping off the orders to USPS and FedEx, had to drop by on the mall, so have to pick up 2 pairs of the Jordan 1 UNC. Yep, another one. Yep, keeping them. Getting them 2 pairs. and put action. And this one is size 11, one size 12 and one size 11. So here we go, keeps on buying them if they had stock. So as usual, I'm gonna do this, put this on ice, and just gonna wait out for at least maybe this coming December. Maybe I'm gonna at least double the money or 50%. Just gonna wait out, probably 250 maybe. So how about you? Did you got another restock on your area? I hope you already got your pair if the store keeps restocking, and hopefully you got a pair of your 4%. That's it.